Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of Chilled Relaxed Plant Content, where we talk about our plants and we try to learn the best way to grow them so they don't die. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, hit the subscribe button and let's be plant friends. So, the holidays just passed. I've been gone from my plants for 18 days. And yeah, some plants are not happy. I don't think anything's completely dead, but yeah. So I'm going to take you around, show you what the plants look like. I'm probably also going to water them. I'm not going to fertilize them just because I want the plants to kind of perk back up before I possibly stress them out with giving them fertilizer. So yeah, alrighty. See you in a bit. Alright, so the Hoyas for the most part are fine. I am going to give them all some water. I bottom water my Hoyas because it's just easier. We do have the Hoya Panchoii with a couple yellow leaves. He's probably, I don't know, a little upset, but it should be okay. Yeah, I'm only going to give them like a little bit of a splash, the ones that don't look good, because I don't want to, because if they look like that, the roots probably have shrunk and died off a little bit, and I don't want to accidentally overwater it. So that's all that's going to get, and I'll fill up the other ones. You guys don't need to see that. You know what it looks like. Something that's cool is my little Diptera plant, Hoya, is alive still. It was literally just a leaf and a node, and if you can see, we're putting out new leaves and new stems over here on the left, so that's good. Everything else on this shelf looks okay. This guy, oh man, my Hoya Sunrise, I'm telling you, I can't keep leaves. It'll grow them and then it drops them. And for whatever reason, it wants to grow them when I'm not around so that they dry out. So yeah, another one I'm just gonna kind of give a little splash to. Oh, my knees. This guy, Hoya Papashuani, he's not dead yet. I don't know what's really going on with him, but we'll give you a little drink. He's completely yellow, but the leaves haven't fallen off. You can't pull them off. The stem is still green. And he did put out a little leaf right before I left, which is yellowed off probably because of lack of water. So it's interesting. Everything else is okay. We do have some mealies because I wasn't here to do the preventative treatment. And then up here, actually, ooh, we have some dead stuff. This is a Hoya Joy that just dried out and it didn't make it. Garbage. And we have, I don't know what this leaf is, but we have a Decii node and leaf. We have the Ruthie still in the water, still growing. So everything else though, propagation wise, just needs the water vessels to be filled up. They're doing great. So that's what the Hoyas are looking like. Alright, I'm going to spin you around. The larger Hoyas are fine. There's a couple of yellow leaves here and there, but that's fine. Alright. Now these guys don't look that great. We'll start over here. We have the Scindapsus Silver Splash that has a lot of yellow leaves. I know he's just really thirsty because he has a lot of roots. I do have to divide him up, but I was trying to wait until spring. We have the Siltepecana, which of course, like, it wouldn't be a Siltepecana if it didn't drop its leaves. Up here, these guys are just thirsty. This guy will bounce back. Look at the Amazonica, Cissus Amazonica. That's like a silvery leaf, like a legit silver leaf. I thought this plant was going to be dead, but so far so good. Brazil. This guy's okay. This guy is very thirsty, obviously. My little propagations are okay. We got some yellowing of the older leaves, which is fine. These guys will all bounce back. They just need a drink. I'm not sure about these begonias. Like this one and that one might be dead, but everything else at least has some green on it. So that's good at least. Pothos, I'm not worried about it. Scindapsus, more pothos. Just yellowing leaves that gotta be trimmed off, really. Vatuzol, which isn't too bad. As you can see, things are just thirsty. Oh, right here. Let's look at this guy. This is a type of Adansonii, or was a type of Adansonii. He might be dead. I don't know. But we have the other Adansonii, like the more vining form, which actually looks to be doing pretty good. So this is the form that's very readily available near me, so I'm not too worried. I can buy another one if I want it. Don't know if I want it. I don't know. And then this guy, the Ruby Cascade, is just really thirsty. We're gonna have to restart her over. Just start soaking her now. Between the Ruby Cascade and the Peperonia Blonda, the Peperonia Blonda, as you can see, definitely holds up a lot better in drought. And they look very similar. Like, there's really no difference. The Blonda is more succulent, whereas the Ruby Cascade is more, it's like a thinner leafed peperomia. So, yeah. This guy is like a chrysalis, I think. I'm pretty sure it's completely dead. I don't know. I thought I was gonna like it. I got it from like a 1-inch cutting, and it like just took off within a couple of months. It's I don't know if it's related to Tradescantia, but it reminds me of the Tradescantia, and I just prefer the larger leaf Tradescantia than this one, so that guy can go. And the succulents. Oop, where are we? There we go. Focus. Succulents are all okay. We got the plants that were just in water are extra thirsty because I'm sure all of their water is empty. That's my Maranta and the shingle plant. Those are the only, well, and also my aglaonemas, but those guys they have a larger water reservoir, so not too worried about it. But look at this, guys. This is what I'm talking about. Look at the cute little leaves on the Maranta. This guy's gonna fall off, but they're so cute when they're little. Yeah, we got a little bit of yellowing here, but that's okay. We got a really wrinkly succulent, but they will bounce back. And down here, so the Sansevierias are fine, and then we start to get to the Dracaenas, and they're not looking so hot. Yeah, I don't know. Some of them I might just throw out because, like this guy right here, I'm probably just gonna throw him out. He grows funky, and he's not my favorite kind of Dracaena. I really like these thin-leaved Dracaenas, and the one down there is not doing so hot. So, yeah, I guess we'll be doing some plant maintenance videos coming up. Keep us busy, right? Alrighty, guys, so I'm going to water all the plants, and, yeah, I'll see you when I see you. Relax, plant, water your plants, and peace out.